In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import customers in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage a business with many customers, manually adding each contact one by one can take a lot of time. The good news is that Zoho Books allows you to quickly import multiple customers at once using a spreadsheet. This is perfect for businesses migrating from another accounting system, moving from spreadsheets to Zoho Books, or simply adding a large list of clients in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to upload customer data into Zoho Books without errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. In this menu, find and click on the option called Sales. When the Sales section expands, you will see several options related to your customers and sales activities. From this list, click on Customers. This will open the customer management page where all of your existing customers are stored. If you already have customers in your account, you'll see them listed here. Now, to import multiple customers at once, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu. Click on this icon to open additional options. When the drop-down menu appears, select the option labeled Import Customers. Zoho Books will now open the Customer Import screen. This page allows you to upload a spreadsheet file that contains all of your customer information. Before uploading your file, make sure your spreadsheet is properly prepared. Typically, this file will be in CSV, XLS, or XLSX format, and should include fields such as customer name, company name, email address, phone number, billing address, and any other details you want stored in Zoho Books. Once your spreadsheet is ready, click the button that says Choose File. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to locate the spreadsheet that contains your customer data. Select your file and confirm the upload. After selecting the file, the next setting you'll see is character encoding. In most cases, the correct option will be UTF-8, which ensures that all characters, symbols, and special text from your spreadsheet are imported correctly. Leave this set to UTF-8 unless your spreadsheet requires a different encoding format. Once everything looks correct, click the next button to continue. Zoho Books will now take you to the field mapping screen. This step is very important because it allows you to match the columns in your spreadsheet with the fields inside Zoho Books. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column called Customer Name, you'll want to map that column to the Customer Name field in Zoho Books. Do the same for email addresses, phone numbers, company names, and any other information included in your file. Carefully review each mapping to make sure the data will be imported into the correct fields. This helps prevent mistakes and keeps your customer records organized. After you finish mapping all the necessary fields, review the settings one more time to confirm everything matches correctly. When you're ready, proceed with the import. Zoho Books will now process your spreadsheet and begin adding your customers to the system. Depending on the size of your file, this process may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message showing that your customers have been successfully added. You can then return to the Customers page to verify that all your contacts appear correctly in the list. And that's it. You've successfully imported customers into Zoho Books using a spreadsheet. This is one of the fastest ways to add large numbers of clients and keep your accounting system organized from the start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.